Welcome back to Visibility Hacking Radio.
And we're back with another episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Today we're going to discuss an essential marketing concept, the value ladder. We'll explore how to create content for each level of the ladder, from free to high ticket, and how different messaging strategies can be applied to each level. So grab a pen and paper, buckle up, and let's dive right in.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
The first level of the value ladder is free content. At this stage, your goal is to build trust and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Your content should be informative and helpful, addressing the pain points and challenges of your target audience. Feel this repeating theme throughout our episodes here. Examples of free content include blog posts, podcasts, and YouTube videos. For instance, you could create a helpful blog post with the top 10 strategies for overcoming a specific challenge in your niche. The second level of the value ladder consists of low-cost content. At this stage, your objective is to demonstrate the value of your products and services and encourage your audience to make a small investment. Examples of low-cost content include ebooks and webinars and mini courses. For example, you could create a webinar that teaches your audience how to implement one of the strategies you mentioned in your blog post, giving them more in-depth information and hands-on guidance. The third level of the value ladder involves mid-tier content. Here, your aim is to offer more comprehensive solutions to your audience's challenges and establish a stronger relationship with them. Mid-tier content can include online courses, group coaching programs, or membership sites. For example, you could create an online course that dives deep into multiple strategies, offering detailed instructions, case studies, and practical exercises. Finally, the fourth level of the value ladder comprises your high-ticket content. At this stage, your goal is to offer personalized, one-on-one support to help your audience achieve their desired results faster. High-ticket content can include coaching or consulting services, mastermind groups, or exclusive events. For example, you could offer one-on-one coaching sessions to help your clients implement the strategies from your online course and achieve their specific goals. As you create content for each level of the value ladder, remember that your messaging should be tailored to the specific needs and expectations of the audience at that stage. By doing so, you'll guide them through the value ladder and ultimately nurture a long-lasting relationship with your customers. Until I see you again, my friends, remember I love you and be excellent to each other.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.